Well, the game of tennis itself has changed a lot over the past 10 years, especially equipment-wise, from rackets to strings, grips, just about everything. So what we needed to do was take a really critical look at our own product line and see what we could do to redevelop it, re-engineer it, redesign it to better meet the needs of today's modern player. And so we went back to the drawing board, kicked around a whole lot of ideas. What we came up with is something that's definitely a step on, that's going to give players more of what the game demands. The M3.0 is a significantly different racket to the 300 series of years past. Still has a 98 head size, though a different shape, much rounder. 16 by 19 string pattern, 22 millimeter beam instead of 21 from years past. It's got a little bit more weight as well. It's 10.51 ounces in the M3.0, and it's about 3 points headlight strung. The stiffness rating is 66, so a good medium stiffness, but we have been able to add massive amounts of power and easy spin to this racket, whereas the old 300 series just didn't have it. The all-new M3.0 features all three of Dunlop's 2013 biomimetic technologies. The aero skin on these new rackets has a distinct shape difference and pattern variance that is even more efficient than original aero skin. It delivers 36% less drag in the air than a racket that has no aero skin at all, which is going to give players greater racket head acceleration and overall more power and spin. Stronger than steel and lighter than carbon, biofibers are woven into the throat of the racket, minimizing shock at impact by 18%. This reduction gives players greater feel and control, as well as maximum comfort. The 2013 biomimetic racket line also uses an all-new grommet technology. MOS2, as it's called, reduces friction between the string and the grommet set by about 27%, which in turn enhances players' access to power. The M3.0 is played on tour by Fernando Verdasco, Heather Watson, and several other of our young up-and-coming tour players. The M3.0 really does accomplish the goal of giving players access to easy power and spin, but maintaining the comfort and feel and control that players expect from Dunlop.